In this video, we're going to talk about the 5 things that you must do after forming an LLC so that your business is in good standing. If you don't know, my name is Darcy. I graduated from the business school at Georgetown, and now I share tips on how to start and fund a business. And so setting up an LLC is huge. I want to say congratulations, as I am so very excited for you, as you are forever changing your future and you are setting yourself up for success. And that is huge. And so in order to protect the LLC that you just created, you want to make sure to do these 5 things in the exact order that I mentioned in this video. First thing that you want to do after you've received the official LLC paperwork saying that your business has been approved is getting an EIN. And EIN stands for an employer identification number. This is like the social security card for your business. So you would need an EIN if you were to hire employees, if you wanted to open up a bank account, or if you just want to protect your social security card when you're filing your taxes. And the reason why you would want an EIN is because you get a lot of benefits with it. First off, you're able to protect your social security card when you're filling out documents on behalf of your business, as you can now use your EIN. Secondly, you need an EIN in order to open up a business bank account. And so the way you can get an EIN for free is to go to the IRS website and fill out a 10-minute application. And so when you go to the IRS website to get your EIN, the website should look something like this. If it doesn't look like this, you want to make sure to double check it's the official IRS website. And if you want some help on how you would go about filling out the application, I left a step-by-step video in the description below. The second thing that you must do is open a business bank account. Since you have your EIN, you now have what you need to open up a business bank account. A lot of lenders don't consider you in operation until you have deposited money into a business bank account. And so if you're looking to get loans or lines of credit as you grow your business, it is very important you have money in your business bank account. And so you have a lot of business bank accounts to choose from. You can check out my business bank account playlist, which will be linked in the description below. And if you're looking for a recommendation right away, I would say check out Bluevine. They have really good features like no minimum balance requirements, and you can get up to 2% interest on your money just sitting in that account. But what's really great about Bluevine is that you can access up to $250,000 in business funding, and not a lot of banks offer that really huge benefit. And so I wanted to highlight this bank just so you know about it as you go about your research. The third thing that you need to do is look into licenses and permits. And so this is very much so specific to the type of business that you have. To give you an example, when I was running my YouTube business, I didn't need to worry about having a permit to operate the business. But when I started to sell digital products, I needed to get a sales tax permit. And since I've expanded my business to digital books, I now have to pay sales tax. And so I have the Texas sales tax permit that requires me to pay sales tax every quarter. And if I don't fill out this sales tax paperwork on time every single quarter, then I will have to pay fine. And so you want to make sure to double check that you have all the licenses and permits you need to run your business properly. The fourth thing that you need to do after you've set up your LLC is to make sure that you've completed all of the post-LLC requirements. To give you some examples, both California and New York require you to fill out additional paperwork after your LLC is formed. California requires business owners to fill out the State of Information report within 90 days of forming the LLC. Whereas New York requires new business owners to file 2 publications in the newspaper. And so these are requirements that business owners have to do, but are based on the specific state of formation. And so it's very important that you complete the additional filing requirements, because if you don't, the state has the right to shut down your business and consider your LLC that you just formed null and void. And that is not good for anyone. Let's now move on to the fifth thing that new business owners must do after they form their LLC. And that is submit the BOI report. The BOI report stands for the Beneficial Ownership Information Report. And this is a new report filing that took effect January 1st of 2024 that requires new business owners to submit this report to FinCEN 90 days after the LLC has been formed. If the BOI report is not submitted within the 90 days, business owners can be fined up to $500 a day. If you still have not filled out this report, by the time you owe them $10,000, they have the right to then take you to jail. So it's very important that you fill out this BOI report. And I've included a step-by-step video showing you the exact steps to fill out this report. And so now it's time to watch this video right here so you can know exactly how to fill out the BOI report.